Those saying impossible are just saying no to greatness. HBD, as an additive manufacturing machine developer and solution provider, is continually digging into techniques, breaking boundaries, and exploring new areas. We create solutions with wisdom. We innovate beyond goals. We guarantee high efficiency. From nothing to everything. From simple to complex. Each detail matters. We strictly control the supply chain management. We follow the detection process at every stage and each step. We ensure optimizing machine performance. With our application processing and inspection centers, we offer customers with in-depth cooperation and customization. During the digitization process, we open the smart manufacturing chapter. In an automated production line, we infuse the machines with our thoughts. Ensure all production details are managed in compliance with standard systems. Working with the leading global suppliers, we guarantee high-quality, high-precision parts. We achieve high quality by 190-plus process tests and 30-plus pre-delivery inspections. Each idea is meticulously planned. Each part is carefully prepared. By combining technology and intelligence, forging the future-proof factory. With cutting-edge application technologies, our products are serving aerospace, energy, molds, automotive, medical, education, and scientific research, aiming to create maximum value for users and partners. We developed a control system to provide micron-level calibration accuracy in order to ensure high-precision printing over the long term. Our technological accumulations are in continuous innovation and development. Our rooted industry is backed by more than 100 patents. We are the market leader with a global footprint. Our ability to shape quality is through talent and excellent teams. We care most are the technology and service quality. We are HBD. Make the future happen.